In men's singles, Carlos Alcaraz and Novak Djokovic will set up a repeat of their epic 2023 final on Sunday. Alcaraz finally found his A game to reach his second straight Wimbledon final as the champion overcame an erratic first set to beat Medvedev 6-7, 6-3, 6-4, 6-4 in the semi-final. Meanwhile, several times champion Djokovic produced some of his best tennis to outclass Musetti 6-4, 7-6, 6-4 and reaches a 10th Wimbledon final. All right, my colleague Narayan Singh joins us on that story. Hello Narayan, good afternoon to you. There is no doubt about the fact that everyone will be glued to their television screens when Novak Djokovic and Carlos Alcaraz will play the final of Wimbledon 2024. How do you analyze that match, Narayan?
Well, Siddharth, a very big match considering the fact that Novak Djokovic, a veteran of the game, having 24 Grand Slam titles under his belt and the 7 Wimbledon titles he won, and one short of the Roger Federer's 8th title at the Wimbledon. And on the other hand, the gen next of the tennis, we can say that Carlos Alcaraz, he has 3 titles under his belt and all are on the different surfaces. And in that sense, it's a big match considering the fact that Sunday will be a big day for the Spanish sports fraternity, because at one side the Spanish football team will be up against England in the Euro final, and here the Carlos Alcaraz, the Spanish tennis player, will be up against Djokovic. So it could be a big day for the Spanish sports fan. And apart from that, Djokovic, we know that what kind of player he is.
He's lethal, Narayan. He's lethal.
We know that the stature of the Novak Djokovic in French Open, he has to pull out because of a tear in his knee, and after that he was operated, and again there were doubts over his participation in the Wimbledon, but now we can say that he is one step away from creating a milestone towards his 25th Grand Slam, and he can shatter the record of Margaret Court. Margaret Court had 24 titles, and he can beat his record also, and also equal the record of the veteran, we can say that Roger Federer's 8 Wimbledon titles.
Definitely, Narayan, you said that right. On Sunday, on one hand, where Novak Djokovic will play against Carlos Alcaraz, the eyes will also be glued on the television screens when Euro 2024 will be up on the screens. Thank you for all those updates.